Okay, hey guys, it's here. I'm just standing outside my house, bored, because I can't walk anywhere. It's been raining all freaking day, and it's starting to sprinkle again. So I'm probably gonna make this quick. Also, I was supposed to see a couple old friends of mine from school, but, one of my friends messaged me earlier this morning, and wanted to do it on the 4th, and I was like, I guess. But yeah, I can't wait to see all my old friends again, or at least some of them. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Also, I didn't tell you all about my whole adventure yesterday, so I'll let you know in on that. After I filmed, I went into Family Dollar and I got Sarah one of these bracelets that she's been wanting, I guess. I was supposed to get it for her for Christmas, but I never got around to it. So, yeah. I'm hoping to hang out with her again soon so I can give it to her. I'll hopefully post another video about our little adventure. I'll try to this time. Because I need to really get used to filming around people, other people. I need to overcome that. But yeah, I think that's all I need to say. It's starting to rain again. So yeah, I just wanted to make this real short. But, yeah, just like this video if you want to, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting more videos soon. Love y'all.